May the gods strike that stinking, disgusting mouth of yours. What are you still doing in my room? Why are you just cleaning my room?
My princess, you told me to make everywhere sparkle. That's why I'm cleaning carefully.
So because I asked you to make the room sparkle, you decided to spend the whole day cleaning my room? Are you mad?
I'm sorry, my princess.
Can you stop saying sorry? It irks me when anyone says sorry, sorry, sorry. I hate it. What are you sorry about? You sorry. And why are you still standing here? Why? Can you just get out? Get out! Susubu! Susubu! Get out! Look at this insolent idiot. My princess, calm down. Butsu, you have a ceremony coming up soon. So do not let anybody upset you.
I know. Right? I know.
Just calm down. Why are you telling me what to do? You know what? I need a glass of juice.
Which of the juice?
I don't care whichever one. Just go get me juice.
Banana pepper.
I don't care! And this dress, I hate it.
I can't
Okay. Obina, I was on my way to your house. Likewise, now I was actually going to your house to see. My house? Yeah. Me too. I'm coming to your place.
To do what?
It's been long I saw my friend, so I decided to come to your place to check up on you, at least to know how my good friend is doing.
Why are you checking up on me? Am I a woman? My own is that I'm coming to give you a message.
What message?
Apparently, there's something going on in the palace, so they invited my crew and I to come and perform there.
Oh.
Yes.
Wonderful news. Yes. I'm so excited. This is great news.
You know, actually, I've not played in the palace before since I've been making my songs, playing my guitar and all that, you know. I've not played there before. So I was kind of, let me come and meet you because I want you to be part of the whole thing.
Wow, thank you.
Let me come and meet you so we put head together and know the kind of song we will sing there in the ceremony.
Then in that case, you don't have a problem. No, you're my friend.
Okay.
Let's just go to your house. We'll put heads together. We'll come up with something good.
Is it better?
Yes.
Don't you say I came with business. Now you're coming to check up on me. Am I a woman?
Come on now.
What's that now?
Obina, you
come with business.
Backlashing me all the time. This kind God, I never see you. Hey, this kind God, I never see you. Hey, this kind God, I never see you. Hey, this kind God, I never see you.
Wait. You know, when you're singing in public, you don't rush it. Listen to the sound. You understand? Follow it up. Don't just rush it. You mislead people. Okay, get it now. Can't go. Ooh.
Say come on.
Mom was working up.
Sorry,
I don't know what.
Sorry. You know, you taught me something last time.
Wait, listen to me.
Okay.
Listen to me. I
looked at the yes, now. I even took about egg like you advised.
I will know if you did it.
Okay.
Do.
But I tried now. I tried.
My friend, listen to me. Stop this thing.
Okay. Chiwe, you're welcome.
Thank you.
So, how is market today?
We thank God. You people are seriously rehearsing. It's like you have events. So
Yes, so we have an event and he's going there to perform as usual, while I probably dance.
no problem. I'll be inside.
Look, it's okay. You're welcome. Okay, let's go now. Hey.
Don't be here.
What is wrong with you, my guy?
Meaning what?
Chinwe just greeted you now. You just acted as if she was talking to the wind.
Must I agree to the greetings? Must I accept or must I answer?
Yes, you must accept. She's
Why?
a woman.
Why?
She's a woman, that's why.
Is it your business? Yeah.
It is a man.
Why are you poking us in? Is it your business?
It is a man.
I like what me he cook it. It is a man. We can actually use it. It is a man. It is a man. It is a idiot.
I'm greeting you now. Are you going now?
What now? What is it? What?
I'm greeting you now.
But you have been ignoring me since. It's not good now.
So tell me, why should I talk to you? When you must have insulted me because of 6,000 naira. You insulted me because of 6,000 naira, ordinary 6,000 naira.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I promise you to not happen again. Even if you take my money, I'll just...
So tell me why I shouldn't be angry as long as I want.
I said I'm sorry now. It will not happen again. I'm sorry. Is it that event that Obum talked about yesterday that you're going for?
Yes.
Have you forgiven me?
Yes.
Will you come back today?
Yes.
Okay. Just hug me now, please.
I'll see you.
Don't want to give me goodbye.
You are running faster than your shot. You are beautiful, elegant, dedicated, but you are full of
Dikeh.
You are full of. You are full of. Full of. Okay, fucking anya. Bika waluwaya waluwaya.
Princess of Umwani Kingdom. Today is your day.
Yay! And I'm so excited.
Oh, my princess, I am so lucky. Like I am the luckiest girl in this world to be your friend.
I know, right? What was that? What was the meaning of that? Was it hot?
I'm sorry, my princess. I'm sorry, so your bead. Cheregodu, how dare you, this commoner, how dare you let the bead of the princess of Umu and the kingdom call Metinana? How dare you? Are you dumb?
I'm sorry.
Hey.
You know what? I'm trying to be so nice today because it's my day.
Oh.
But these useless maids will not concoct themselves. What would you do if I refused to wear that bead today?
But Josiane.
My princess, I'm sorry. Please don't say such. The queen specially bought this bead from a merchant from the north. And if you don't wear this bead, the queen will have my head. I am sorry that I allowed such an expensive bead to fall off my dirty hands. Please forgive me.
How nicely you beg. You almost had me convinced. Anyway. Drop the neck beads on the table.
Yes, my princess.
Then you can kneel down. Let me see how sorry you are. Kneel so you can atone for your sins.
As you wish, my princess.
I just need her to feel the heat a little.
You feel when you heat. Let her feel it. Let her feel it. Oh, my princess. Achalugo. Today is your day.
Yes.
You need to come down and see the preparation.
Yeah.
Oh, we will drink today. Enjoyment.
I'll be there in a jiffy.
Oh, my princess. You look so sweet. You look so hot.
I know, right?
You know what? Just relax yourself.
Of course.
Allow her to dress you so you will shine, because today is your day. You need to shine.
Of course, that's why I'm not allowing her bother me.
Don't let her. I'm coming. Let me go down.
Okay, please make sure everything is intact.
Trust me now. Hey, go down and see what they are doing.
Make sure everything is well set.
Princess, you look.
Thank you. What should I even do with you? I don't want to soil today. It's a happy day for me.
My great people of Philmond, I am sorry I cannot see all of you. But I want to tell you that I am happy today. My heart is filled with joy. As you all know, we are gathered here to celebrate my princess, who has not been with us for years now. But thank the gods, she's here, healthy and alive. So let the ceremony begin.
Your Majesty, I'm sorry, before the ceremony proceeds, I would like to say a few words. Greetings, elders of our land.
Princess, we greet you too.
Well, first off, I want to say thank you for taking out time to honor me by welcoming me back into the great kingdom of Umwani. It's been so many years I've been away, but now that I'm back, I pray that my return is fruitful. A lot has happened to me over the years, which I might not talk about right now, but I'm just grateful to the gods of our land who brought me back safely and in good health. With that being said, I'd like for the ceremony to begin in earnest. Let's all eat, drink, and be merry. Thank you.
Umwan! Where are you? Umwan! Muano! Umwan! Where's one?
Oni, you're still here.
What do you mean I'm still here? Where am I supposed to be? Wait, no, so you're enjoying, oh, this is where you're eating meat by the roadside. What am I missing?
What to do now? Let me enjoy my morning, at least. You did not go with your friend to the palace.
You go with my friend to the palace to do what? Am I supposed to follow her to go and see her mother or to go and meet her mother? For what now?
Which mother? So you've not heard? Your friend Rita has been made the princess of Umwani. You are here.
How did that happen? How can my friend be made the princess of Umwani? How?
Okay, now keep asking me. As I speak to you, today is a welcome home ceremony. I did not go because I don't want to go there and overdrink. Maki may be free or Kuyota. So that is why I stayed back. Let me enjoy my morning. As you can see, I'm already enjoying. So see you later. Let me concentrate. Wait, before you go. Why did you not go to the palace at least to eat and enjoy yourself? There's a lot of drink there. Why did you not go? I will answer the question. Your bad character will not let you go there.
See, no, so don't insult me. Oh. What kind of rubbish is that? See, it's your house, even supporting. Bad character, how? See, respect yourself. Oh. Nonsense. Which one is bad character? Wait. Rita has been made princess of Umwani. On what ground?
Go to the palace. That's the ground everything is taking place. The palace ground is the place. Too many places.
Local boy.
Come on, chop boy.
You will not change. Which one are you sitting by the roadside to eat chicken?
So if you think I will not make it. Just go straight to the palace, huh? That's the grand sir.
Local boy, you will not even change. Even now that you have money, you still be even local. People are sitting on the road.
Jealousy. You people think I will not make it.
Hi, Chimo.
Thank you so much for helping me with today's market. I wonder what I would have done without a friend like you.
Hi.
Mad.
It's fine.
The sun, eh?
Appreciation accepted, though. But when you get home, make sure you rest so that the baby in your womb can rest as well.
That will be after cooking.
Cooking? What are you cooking again? You're always cooking.
My dear, once Obinna comes back from work, the first thing he's going to ask me is, where is my food? Where is my food? And if I don't give him food, it will be a problem.
Did he leave money for you before leaving the house? And you want to cook for him? So you want to use the little money you have to cook for that ungrateful bastard?
Don't call him names. People.
I should not call him names. I should not call him names. What is it?
Is this my delivery thing? You know they said it's free delivery, so I think everything is free. If you see the list they gave me at the hospital, hey, Jesus. Other things I will buy in the hospital and the ones I need to buy in the market. Whenever I remember it like this, I don't know. My heart will just skip.
Of course, you have to buy things in use to give him birth. Do you expect them to give you things for free? Things like delivering mats, Ditto, and tissue. And they will still deliver for you for free. No, now, it's all the draw possible, Fear God. They cannot do everything for you for free.
I understand. It's just that Obinna doesn't care about the baby and I. I've not even told him because I'm scared.
So why didn't you tell him? So why didn't you give him the list?
He will be angry. I'm scared.
What do you mean he will be angry? I don't understand. Every time you are scared of this Obinna. I don't understand. Because you do kajada. You're supposed to be a strong woman, Not every time you are scared of Obinna. Who is Obinna? And I call you Obinna be Okute. What is your problem? You need to be very strong, You need to be very, very strong. Don't like this thing, Every time you are scared, Who is he?
I guess we have rested enough. Let's go.
This one is too much.
Mama,
even you, I'm even...
let me go and carry my tray.
Small before gate.
Wickedness is a sin in the eyes of the girls.
Hello.
Hi.
Don't tell me you're leaving already.
And don't tell me you still have your eyes on me.
It's the princess instruction. I couldn't help it. Come with me, she wants to see you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, after you. Okay. Yeah. One. You know what's up now? Let me see the princess, okay?
I got you.
I'm coming. I'll soon be back. Oh? Yeah.
My guy. I'm not going to walk. Obago.
Come in.
My princess.
Okay, you can go.
You mean I should leave?
I believe you're not deaf.
Okay.
Hi. I don't know why I was brought to your room.
Are you scared? Well, I like you. You're quite handsome. I like your type. You can sing.
My princess, thank you. I think you're going too far.
Well, they say, when you see something good, feel free to admire it. And that's exactly what I'm doing. What do you say if, would you like to visit the palace more often? I mean, to come sing for me. The king, my father, has a lot of money. I'm his only child. What do you think?
My princess, I do not have anything bringing me to the palace, but if you ask me to come, who am I to decline?
Tell me, do you have a woman in your life?
Not really.
Not like I care if you did. Like I said, I'd like for you to come often to the palace. Settled? That's okay at least.
It's okay, my princess.
Okay, good. You can go.
Thank you.
Always.
That was something, you know.
You know, she called me up to her room.
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
So tell me, why did the princess call you?
I don't know, she just called me up to her room. Said if she wants to see me.
Really?
Yeah.
What she wants to see you about? What was it?
I think the princess likes me.
What? She likes you? Why?
You know that time I told you I want to go and eat myself?
Okay.
Yeah, she sent someone to just track me. After then, I think she asked the maid to keep her eye on me.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
No wonder she ran after us when we were about leaving.
She also asked me to come to the palace whenever I want, often.
She did?
Yes, and also asked me if I have a girlfriend.
So what did you tell her?
I said no.
You said no?
Yes.
What about Chinwe? Pregnant
what?
Chinwe?
Excuse me, Chinwe what? Wait, you expect me to tell her that I have someone in my life?
Yes! Chinwe's your girlfriend.
Hey,
what are you talking about?
Come on, Faith. Come on, Faith, my friend. You don't do that.
Ubina, you're a very heartless person.
I just met the princess. The princess is so beautiful.
So what?
Okay? And she asked me to often to come to the palace. And I love that fact that she said that to me. And you want me to start talking about Chinwe before the princess? Ah, why now? Why would they do like this?
Ubina,
it
is Emma? Huh? Just now you've forgotten Chinwe. She means nothing to you.
If you like Chinwe, you can go and marry her. Okay? I've met the princess.
You are the most heartless person I've ever known in my life.
Same to you.
Uncle.
Same to you.
Same
to you.
Queen Mother, you sent for me.
Yes. Your father has something to tell you.
Father, I'm here.
My princess, I have something for you.
Okay, what is it?
This is your car.
My car? My car? Oh my God. Thank you, Father. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, Queen Mother.
The guards will take you around whenever you want.
That's perfect.
The car is outside. You can go and see it.
I'll be right out. Thank you.
Ufufe said I was going to start saying the moment my daughter returns. It's been days now, and my vision is yet to be restored. Come to think of it, my daughter that I know is usually not this distance. She likes being around me and asking a lot of questions. Maybe things are different because she has been away for years. I need to consult Fufe to know what the problem is. I really need to.
Why did you stop? Jezebel, Jena Moore, Okwa Mami, water. Agada Batiruzo Obim. Egunke na go. Obim, Egunka Roa. Egunka Tokasquam. Hey, Obim, sorry to bother you. Obim, you suddenly stopped playing because I was enjoying it. Or draw Kwama. Is it because I'm enjoying the song? That's
say
why
what you want to say and go. As you can see, I am busy before you came.
I'm sorry to distract you. There is something I want to tell you.
What is it? What is it?
Obim, is about the list of the things the hospital asked me to buy for my baby.
And you brought it to the Jezebel. To buy. They gave you a list at the hospital and you brought it for me to buy them, right? To the Jezebel that you just called me. Okay?
I was just singing and enjoying your this thing. Please, this baby is our baby. Any amount you have, just give me. I'll add it up and buy these things. Biko.
Unfortunately, I don't have anything with me.
Why would you say that?
I do not have anything to give out for anything. I don't have money.
Obina, you can't say that now. Maybe not to Odoroma. I didn't get myself pregnant. This is our baby that we're talking about. Biko, no. Anyhow, just give me.
Like I said, I do not have any money with me to give out. If you don't have money to buy all those things yourself, then carry the baby as long as you want, because I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know.
Bina, please, now I'm begging you. Bikon.
Are you holding my guitar?
No, I just want you to meru mebere. I want you to have pity on me.
You want to make me cordless? My guitar? You want to cut the cord of my guitar?
It's not what I'm saying. Please now. Please, we need to start buying baby things. Bikonu.
If you don't have the money to buy it, then know how to carry it or know where to go and carry it for.
Hi.
Okay? Not that they gave you something in the hospital and you're giving it to me to buy. Please, I don't have money for that, please. Please, be ball me go pom Jezebel dey no. Come we follow go list. If your name were planning your body, don't you see you have plan when you were dancing? Now you don't want to dance again.
Anyhow, we're tattooing. You know something. Bikono.
Your name maga Jezebel nenye.
Where are those stupid maids? Where are they? Why is my lunch not ready?
I'm very sorry. There was...
Are you stupid? I hate excuses. Why is my lunch not there? Will you shut it? Shut your trap of your mouth. I don't like excuses for no reason. Why is my lunch not set? words? What gave you the right, the temerity, to not serve my lunch at this time of the day? Are you insane? Are you mad? Why am I talking to myself?
What is going on here? Why are you yelling and shouting? Eh? Chiwe, I know that is your voice. Who are you yelling at?
Father, can you imagine this mute? Because I didn't know you've employed mutes in the palace. They had the effrontery, the temerity to not serve my lunch at this time of the day. Why? Eh?
Is that why you are shouting? If they have not served your lunch, maybe something delayed them. Why not give them some time?
No. Your Highness, don't say that. They don't have any reason to allow themselves to be delayed. The princess must eat her meal at the right time.
When have you started supporting Chiwe?
Do I have a choice? Eh? If I don't support her now, you people will say I'm maltreating the princess. My princess, please, it's okay. Eh? Don't worry. They will prepare your meal and bring it now. I will make sure of that.
Queen Mother, I want a 3-course meal. Very important. I want this dimwit to remain kneeling. Other maids can cook my meal, not them. Excuse me.
What are you people saying with that? Go and start preparing her.
Beautiful, elegant, educated, but you are full. You are full. You are full. You are full. Hey, you are full. Okay, fucking anya. Bika waluwaya. Easy. You are running faster than your shadow. You are beautiful, elegant, dedicated, but you are full. A fool. You are full.
Elder Sophomore, as you all know, I have done everything that is required of me. I have found my daughter. I have thrown a ceremony just to welcome her. I have equally gifted her a car which is necessary. So why am I not saying?
Igwe, honestly, I am shocked you cannot still see.
My king, do not panic. Let me go straight away and get the eye of the gods.
I am here already.
My king, eye of the gods is here already.
Long live the king.
Eye of the gods, when I went blind, you told me to find my daughter. I have found my daughter. I've done everything necessary. I can still see.
Did you say you have found your daughter?
Yes, I found her.
Then why can't you see?
To me, I should be asking you.
Something is wrong. Something is really wrong.
Eye of the gods, what are you really saying?
I shall go and tell the gods properly. Whatever they reveal to me, I will bring the message to you. Ifufe will take his leave now. Long live the king.
I don't know why the gods has decided to punish me this way.
No, my king. Oh no, my friend. Everything is alright.
I should be asking you that. Is everything okay?
You mean you don't know what is going on?
If I knew, why should I ask you?
Well, when the king went blind, the chief priest said the gods struck him because he abandoned his only daughter. And they said the moment the princess returned, he will regain his sight. But the princess has returned. He has not regained his sight yet. The chief priest came this morning and said something is wrong somewhere. But he did not exactly told us what was wrong.
So that is the reason the king started looking for the princess all of a sudden.
Oh, yeah, make one again.
Okay, that aside, I want you to gather all the elders at your place tomorrow. I would love to have a meeting with you all.
Meeting?
Yes, and I don't want the king to know about this.
Oh, okay, my queen.
You can go.
You are wicked, you are very mean, but one day the breeze will blow.
If the king finds out that my daughter is not the princess, there will be trouble for me. I will make use of this opportunity tomorrow. I will make good use of it.
You are running faster than your shadow. Beautiful, elegant, educated, but you are full.
I was about going to your house.
You actually going to my house?
Yes.
Okay, that means you go and come back later.
Why?
As you can see, I'm going to the palace of Oman.
Palace, to do what?
Yeah, to see my princess, of course.
Obinna.
Yeah, can go later.
Wait, hold on. Thought we've discussed this before. Are you really serious about this princess? Like you want to be close to her?
Of course. Because I will benefit from her. Eh?
Obinna, it is here, man. Eh? Obinna, Butu, no, eh? Okay. Have you bothered to ask yourself how will Chinwe feel about this?
Please, I don't want to talk about this. Eh? Take care of yourself. I'll see you later. I don't care.
You know, when the guards told me a friend came visiting, I never expected to see you.
Yeah, I know. I couldn't just take my mind off you since that day, you know. Yes. And I didn't even know that the guards will let me in either.
I see. What do you do?
Yeah, I sing. And I play guitar and I have team I work with.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice. So that's what you came to my ceremony for?
Exactly.
That's beautiful. Well, I can watch you play your guitar for me.
Don't worry. When next I'm coming, I'm going to come with it. No, the quarry will because I'm made the guitar. Molly brain, you know?
Oh my God.
You look so beautiful, my queen.
Well, I'm a princess and not a queen.
Oh, yes, I know. But you're my queen.
Am I?
Yes.
Thank you. I can't wait to know you much better than this. I'd like for us to get to know each other.
Yes, I even want to. I really, really want to know you better than I'm knowing you now. You know, at least get to know your like and your dislike. It might give you joy and the things that doesn't give you joy. If Rocky is Yamule. Wow. I like your smiles.
You're flattering me.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I gathered you all because I just learned about what has been going on in the palace yesterday. The gods asked the king to bring back his missing daughter so that he can see again. And he has done exactly that. What does Ufufe knows? Ufufe does not know what he is saying.
But the eye of the gods already told us something is wrong somewhere.
There is nothing like that. Ufufe is just deceiving you all. He has nothing to say.
My queen, with all due respect, I rebuke you from saying that. Ha! Ufufe of all people.
Rebuke me all you want, but that is the truth. Blind people do not see at once. They take time to recover. Ufufe is just filling your ears with lies. The king has found his princess. Let us give him time to recover. You know, Ufufe coming to the palace to say things will add to the king's blood pressure rising. I'm sure we don't want to lose the king. Or do we?
My queen, we are all seeking for a solution. And the eye of the gods is the answer to that solution. Bam.
I have told you what I know. Instead of bringing the eye of the gods to the palace. I mean, when the king sends you, just go somewhere else. Don't even go to the shrine. Go somewhere else or do whatever you want to do. But let him not come to the palace.
Are you just saying that we should stop seeking the presence of Ezedibia?
Exactly. Exactly. Because he does not know what he is saying. The king has found the princess. Let's give him time. I'm sure he will see again with time. Let's give him time.
My queen, we the Council of Elders will not do it. We are not ready to do it. We will continue to seek for solution from Ufufe until our king recovers. Huh?
You cannot do it. You cannot do it. But you can take away 15 million naira from the king's charity account. Money that he entrusted into your cares. And you hide the fire, thinking that nobody will find it. What? Oh, you're surprised. The king may trust you all and not bother to check what you are doing with that money. But I have my eyes on you. And I know exactly how and what you have been doing. Don't worry, don't do it. I am going back to the palace. Let's know how the king will feel when he finds out that his trusted men that he crowned, has been dipping hands into the village charity accounts. Money that was entrusted to them to do things for the villagers. No. No need. Don't tell me anything. Don't do it. Do not do anything that I ask you to do. Let's see how the king will react.
My queen, we will do it. Whatever it is, we will do it. Huh? No one among us wants to lose his position. No, no one. No. Please, we'll do it. Bo.
Now you are talking. Now you are talking. And please, the king must not hear about this meeting. Ufufe will not come near that palace. And I promise you, the king will recover his sight at the right time. Excuse me. I will see you.
Thank you, my friend.
If you did to your fellow human beings, God is watching. He sees everything. Easy, easy. You're running faster than your shadow. Beautiful, elegant, educated, but you ain't full.
Greetings, my queen.
Welcome, Her Majesty.
Who is he?
He's my boyfriend.
Your what?
Yes, mother. You didn't go out with any maid or guard? Why?
I have something personal to take care of. I didn't want any white mouth going with me. But please don't make this discussion about me. See me in my room immediately.
Yes, mother.
It's like she doesn't like me.
She doesn't have any choice. Let me just go see her. I'll be right back, okay? I'll ask them to get you a drink.
It's okay.
What are you doing with that nobody?
Can you bring your voice down? The king might hear you. He's not a nobody.
I thought you were allergic to poverty, just as I was when I was young.
Obina is not poor. Besides, he's handsome.
And where is he from?
Omoma village.
Where did you meet him?
On my welcome home ceremony.
And you are doing boyfriend and girlfriend already?
Mother, I like him. He likes me. Besides, you taught me to always go for what I want.
You are something else. Listen, if I tell you that I like him, I am lying to myself. But anyway, if he makes you happy, why not? You can go ahead.
Well, he does make me happy. Thank you, Mother.
There is a problem on ground, but I have settled it with the elders.
Hope he wasn't that serious.
He would have been, but trust your mother. I know how to solve every situation.
Thanks for all you do for me, Mother.
You're welcome, my darling. All right.
Off I go.
Album.
Obina.
You see how I'm matching my mouth? You see the kind of reception the princess gave to me today? The kind of food I ate there, I've never eaten it in my life. Very delicious food. I've never eaten it in my life. Elibe modunia before. Obum. Hey!
Obina. Obina. You know I know you more than you know yourself.
I know.
Obi, listen. Don't be carried away by things like this. Don't be carried away with it. Listen, she's a princess and you're just a guitarist. There is no comparison, my guy.
Now let me blow your mind. Do you know that the princess introduced me to her mother as her boyfriend? Face to face. Facey.
Really?
Facey. It is a surprise.
It's okay.
I know it shock you, right?
It's okay. It's
now
okay.
see me see the palace tomorrow. I'm storming there. By the time I will marry the princess, then I'll become the next king of Umani. That poor boy that you know from Umoma is now a big boy. Okay, make it now. I'm hitting the palace tomorrow.
Obina.
Yes.
It is a man.
You
are a dreamer. Keep dreaming.
When I'll become the king, when you come to the palace to beg, to beg me for something and we're jogging, walking, or kisi ayo.
Hey, but Obina, you're a dreamer.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, before you know it, one guy from the city will come and marry our princess and take her away. In fact, kidnap her away from this village. Now listen and listen very good. There is no comparison between you and her. Okay? You're just a guitarist. And besides, you have Chinwe. Pregnant Chinwe inside. One day, leave the princess alone. Stop dreaming.
Now I know that you are an enemy of progress.
Yes. I am an enemy of progress. Yes. You think it's easy to be an enemy of progress?
See, my friend, listen.
It's a very difficult job, my brother. It's not easy.
If you continue like this, you die, yo.
Takes a lot of strength, a lot of work to be an enemy of progress. Thank you for that good compliment. Now you know.
Chinwe, you're trying to tell me that Obina refused to give you money to buy baby things?
He refused though. And even warned me not to tell him about it again. My sisters, I am like this, It's born so good, I don't know what to do. The woman that sells okrika in the market, that one that I buy clothes from, she gave me some baby things. She dashed me. So baby clothes now, that one is settled. But bath, baby feeder, clothes and other things, feeder and other things, I've not bought them. Each time I remember those things, it gives me another level of the high blood pressure. Because will I still?
Hey! Now Obina is wicked though. Obina is a very wicked man. You got someone pregnant. When it's time for you to help that person, you refuse to help. Like, I don't understand. What kind of a man is he?
My dear, I don't know. Whenever I remember that I've not bought those things, it will be a map. I don't know what to do. I want to go and meet that Isusu, that contribution woman in the market to see if I can borrow some money from her. When I'm done delivering and start my business, I'll give her back.
No. You don't need to do that. Okay? I know that those things in the list won't be up to 20,000 naira, so just bring them to me.
My dear, even if it's 10,000, I don't have.
Bring the list to me tomorrow. I will take it to the market, to the big market, so that I can buy everything. Okay? What's funny? Do I look like I'm joking? Bring the list tomorrow. I will buy everything.
Are you serious?
Of course I am serious. Don't worry, I'll call my fiancé tomorrow to ask him some money so that I can add to the one I have, okay? Hey, Bikono, please don't do that. Don't do those tears.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
My heart is broken if I never
It tastes nice. It tastes like orange.
It is orange juice, my king.
You! Why is my room unkept? Why is it so dirty?
My princess, I personally cleaned your room this morning.
How dare you call me a liar?
She will stop.
My king, don't tell me to stop. You heard her call me a liar!
My king? Why have you been addressing me as your king since you came back? Growing up, you addresses me like a father. What went wrong? Why the change?
Change, they say, is the only constant thing in a man's life. 13 good years have gone by. I have seen hell. I have suffered. I've been maltreated and I've been disrespected. Yet you expect me to remain sane? Impossible. You! I give you 5 minutes. If that room is not sparkling and really clean as sunlight, you will get it from me, fool.
It can only take time, take time. It can only take time, take time. It can only take time, take time. It can only
No, I sent for you alone. But it is a good thing you are here with one of the chairs. Which of the chairs did you come with?
Your Highness, it's me, Ishi.
Oh, Ichie Ako. You are welcome. You can say that your king is now blind.
Whether blind or not, you will still remain our heroic king.
Oh no, we left since after our last meeting to seek answers from the gods concerning my blindness. I have not heard from him since then. I have not been at rest. So I want you to go to his shrine and invite him for me this evening.
Your Highness, let us give him a little time. If he says he will come with a desired and a favorable result, we should give him chance.
If the Savior cannot come to you, you will go to the Savior. Or no, you both should go and invite him to come.
Okay, my king. We'll quickly get to his shrine and get him immediately.
Please do.
Oh no! Where are we going to? Are we really going to call the eye of the gods? No, of course. We can't. Then, where are we heading to? I don't know. But we cannot go and call the eye of the gods for him. The queen has a lot on us. I see. I suggest we go back to the palace and lie to the king instead of embarking on this journey. Or what are you saying? I have an idea. Idea? Yes. What is idea? Let's go down to Ozrumbaba. Mazi Ozrumba is bar now. Let's go there, drink palm wine, and then Kobe. Bam! After a while, we'll go back and tell him that we've traveled. Ijie. That's what we shall do. It's your Ozrumba!
Our kingdom is stand still because of you. Our king is in pain because of you.
Oh no. Is everything okay?
Yes, no. I mean, of course.
What do you mean by yes, no, of course?
Your Highness, the worst has happened. Your Highness, I don't think there is any hope for you. Everything just scattered. Huh?
Oh no, what are you telling me? Is the eye of the gods dead?
No, he's not. We went to his shrine. We saw his servant. And he said that Ufufe traveled.
A native doctor traveled? No, I have been in this kingdom since I was a child.
I have never had that.
Your Highness, there is always a first time to everything.
Oh no, did his servant tell you where he traveled to and when he will come back?
He said he traveled to the forest, Ajofia, to commune with the gods. But he didn't tell us when he will return.
To Ajofia? Oh no, I have been in this kingdom, like I said. We don't have any Ajofia close to this kingdom. And I've never heard that Ezedibia of the land traveled without informing his king.
Honestly, my king, we don't. But I think he traveled to a far place, and we are not even sure if he will return soonest.
He didn't tell us, and I think he will take time before coming back.
Oh no, what is this all about?
My king, we shall be on our way.
Who is it? Come in.
Rita, guess what? Guess what?
What did you just call me? Are you insane? Do you want to expose us?
Yeah, I'm sorry, my princess. It slipped out of my mouth. I'm sorry.
It better not happen next time. Henceforth, call me Princess Chimwe. Or better yet, my princess. It's as simple as A, B, C. Bridle your tongue. Do you understand me?
Okay. My princess, I'm sorry. You go.
Anyway, what is it you wanted to talk about?
My princess, Obinna is here to see you.
Really?
Yes. My princess, are you both really dating?
What sort of question is that? I thought I told you everything.
You told me, but it's just hard for me to believe because Obinna, my princess,
well, best believe it. We have a thing. I like him. Anyway, where is he?
He's at the garden.
Okay, let's go see him.
Let's go.
Tell me, how do I look?
My princess, you look so sweet.
I know, right? Thank you.
You're so cute. My princess.
Yes, baby.
I do good. Mama. Manaria. Let's go.
The breeze we blow, and everyone we see the bottom of the fire. Afriko Kukanya.
My love! I missed you.
I missed you more. So how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Good.
Well, you know what, Amara?
Yes, my princess.
Please, get us a drink, okay? Just at the garden.
Okay, my princess.
Tell me, after taking drinks, where would you like to go? I mean, it's boring here at the palace.
I don't know. It all depends on you. Yeah.
Idea.
What?
Let's go for a drive.
Drive? In your car?
Of course.
And who is going to drive?
Do you know how to drive?
Of course.
Really? Then you are driving.
Me.
Of course you are driving. Come on, that acts so modest. Let me call Amara to get the keys.
Okay.
Okay. Amara! Amara!
Easy, easy. You're running faster than your shadow. You are beautiful, elegant, dedicated, but you are full. You are full. You are full.
totally enjoyed today.
Likewise me. Your car is so sound. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, I like your car. It's so sound.
Thank you.
I wish I have something like this.
Really?
Yeah.
Say you had something like this for the next 24 hours. What would you do?
I'll be happy. I wouldn't mind.
Okay. You can have it.
I can have what?
My car. What's mine is yours.
Oh my God. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
My princess, are you sure you want him to go with your car?
Did I ask for your opinion? Sorry about that. I trust you. You can go with it, okay?
It's okay. Thank you so much.
All right, darling. Take care. Make sure you drive carefully. Drive carefully.
I will.
Easy, easy. You're running faster than
My princess.
Why are you such a killjoy?
I'm sorry.
But shh, shush it.
Easy, easy. You are running faster than your shot. You are beautiful, elegant, dedicated, but you ain't full. Chai, chai, chai. A fool. You are full. You are full.
Abla, what can I call you? If they're talking about a car, this one is a car. Obina, hey! Obina, you know what? My body is as cold as Onyeti anime deep freezer. This is a car! Hey! You know what? Do you see the way the villagers were looking at this car?
I know.
They didn't believe it will happen in your life.
Two things that enter eye. I'm
telling you.
Yeah.
Obina, Kambo get siren. We won. Nakambo get share touch. Congratulations, my man.
Thank you, bro.
You know when you came to my house,
Yeah.
You told me to enter your car. And I entered as an idiot on I am, but not even asking you who owns the car. Oh, yeah, tell me. Who owns this car?
Ejema. You really care to know?
Yes, I want to know who owns the car.
Okay.
Princess.
Yeah.
Which princess are you talking about?
The princess that you know. Yes.
If I knew this car belonged to the princess that I know, I wouldn't have entered it. Obina.
Why? What happened?
Obina, how can you do this? You already have a woman in your life. Why are you following the princess as if you're one desperate chicken that doesn't have control?
In life, if you want to do something with somebody that have the capacity.
Oh.
If you want to do something with somebody that has the capacity. Okay? To carry you along. Okay? When you give me something, not so fun about it like Chinwe. No, you don't do that now.
Oh, Chinwe was in one party. When you were busy eating her money, all the sacrifice Chinwe made on you, everything she sacrificed for you, you didn't know she's in one party.
What of the one I did for her?
No, you're very wicked and heartless.
Hey. I didn't ask you to enter my car and brought you to my house for you to start insulting me. Don't do that. Please.
How can you say this? Chinwe is already pregnant with your child.
Do something with somebody that have the capacity. Okay? Somebody that is capable to do something. Yes.
Do we have a visitor?
No, we don't. Hey. Waka. Hey, care dirty.
The car is fine. I'm just admiring you.
What part of you the car is fine? What's your problem? Why are you touching the car now?
I'm just admiring it.
Admirer.
Do we have a visitor?
We don't. What's you touching?
Who now brought?
Don't get me angry. Oh. Have you entered this kind of car before?
I've not entered now, but I know you will carry me.
Who will carry you? Carrier. Don't even touch that car again. Don't try it again. Have you ever entered this kind of car before?
I've not, so
Have
that's
you?
why I am hoping that I use this one to catch.
You're hoping. So I'm not come and carry you inside this car.
Obina, why are you this wicked? Eh? Why are you talking to Chinwe like this now? It's Chinwe. Oh. Why are you treating... Chinwe, don't worry, yeah? I will buy my own car very soon. And I will carry you around the whole village. Whichever place you want, I will take you there, okay? Don't mind Obina. Don't mind him.
I'll use it and carry you. You haven't go to motor before. Have any of your family members entered this kind of car before? Don't touch me again. Allow me to talk.
This is unfair.
Unfair. How what makes
Chinwe,
Chinwe who?
You're Chinwe.
Hey, eh?
Drama.
Don't even try it.
It is man.
Don't. What are you doing there? Why are you sitting in the car?
You know what? I can't stand this enough.
Go now.
I should go.
Go home now. If you cannot stand it, go home. Now, baby.
Obina, it is a man.
What you see, man?
You're a wicked fellow. But Chinwe, do eh? It is a man.
That guy, if I call you a question, everybody know what you hear or something.
I'm going.
Rubbish.
I'm going. It is
no,
a
don't
man.
tell me again, no.
It is a man.
Start my car. Hey. Hey, you go bottle water before. Hey, I'm hungry. Go get me food to eat.
There's nothing at home. No food, no food stuff. Yes.
I don't even have time to start eating that your nonsense food. Because if I should eat it, it will spoil the good food, good delicious food I've eaten now. So I don't even have time for that kind of food. Excuse me. What are you doing there?
Relaxing.
Why? So you'll be looking at the car, right? Don't even look at the car. Don't even look. Don't near. Don't near. Because I'll catch you. And it will be horrible. But to see she get back, don't look at the car because I'll be watching you without your corner eye that you're trying to look at the car. Don't near. And the corner, that is what I mean by don't near. I'm watching you.
Where did you bring that get this car from?
Hey, I catch you. I even snapped you. Don't deny it. I told you not to near, but you near. Near. Look at it. See your eyes. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Don't try it again, no. Don't try it again. Don't try it again. Chinwe.
I'm menegeri na compound. I'm menegeri na compound.
In the car.
I'm menegeri na compound.
In the car, Chinwe. You're nailing the car. Stop nailing, Chinwe.
He came back with very beautiful flashy car. When I asked him where he got it from, he told me it's none of my business. That I should not touch the car. Even when I tried touching the car, he brought out white hanky and used to wipe off my hands.
Where did he get the car from?
I don't know. He refused to tell me.
Are you sure Obina is not having an affair with a rich woman?
But why? No, now. See, Obina can treat me anyhow, will beat me and all that. But is he cheating on me? He does not cheat on me. He loves me.
And he's maltreating you. He's abusing you. He's not cheating on you. Is that love? Beating you physically and everything. Is that love? I beg, don't tell me that, Biko.
Foma, leave those things aside.
I will not leave it aside. Someone who is maltreating you, who is not treating you as someone he loves. And you're here saying that he loves you. I don't understand. Instead of you to be bothered about where he got the car from. And you're here saying he bought a flashy car and all that.
See, maybe, you know my baby, the very talented. His voice, a golden voice. So maybe one of the rich men he performed for dashed him. I'm happy for him. It's you.
Hey! Chinwe. Chinwe, you are a finished woman. Makachi. Just go inside and carry the things I bought for you. Go and carry the baby things I bought for you. I'm tired of you already like this.
See, daughter Joy, you can't be tired of your best
Seriously, I am. At this point in time, I am tired of you.
You cannot. Now I'm your best friend.
Who is your best friend? If you're flashika, I hope back.
Honestly, I do not get. I don't know if the elders are telling me the truth or not.
If the elders say that Ezedibia traveled, then he traveled. Stop overthinking things. Be patient. I believe he will be back soon.
I am having a sour feeling about this whole thing. How are you doing?
Not good.
Why?
I need some money.
But I gave you some money yesterday.
I also remember telling you I wanted to get some jewelries, which I did. And right now, my account is empty. I need more money.
I don't like the way you are lavishing money.
Ezonyema, stop questioning the young lady. This is the princess of our land. If she says she needs money, give her money.
I don't like the way you are supporting Chinwe these days.
See, I don't like the way you say things. If I don't support her now, I will be called a bad stepmother. I told you I want to make it up to her. Did I not? Having her back is one of those ways to make it up to her.
You should get her back on things that are important. Not in squandering money and asking for money all the time.
I have heard, though. I have heard. Just give her the money, let her rest.
Fine. Chinwe, I will tell my account officer to keep some money in your account.
Now you're talking. Thank you, Father.
You're welcome.
God is watching. He sees everything. Easy, easy. You're running faster than your shadow. Beautiful, elegant, educated.
My princess, Obinna is yet to return your car.
And what business of yours is that?
My princess, I am worried. I am worried. What if this guy runs away with your car? We don't even know where he lives.
Why are you taking drugs on my behalf? Anyway, Obinna won't run away with my car.
My princess, how do you know about...
I know because of his eyes.
His eyes?
The thing is, he wants to be with me. And because of that, he won't do anything stupid. He won't run away with my car.
My princess, do not be deceived. Do not.
Enough. Enough of this nonsense about Obinna. Why not, instead of talking about me, why not just focus on your life and on getting a boyfriend?
I'm sorry.
Better. Sorry for yourself. Stop right there.
Yes, my princess.
How dare you serve this without bowing to me?
I'm sorry, my princess.
Do not just stand there and say I am tired, my princess. Come close, kneel down and bow before the princess of this land.
Come on! Carry the fruit, yes, yes, yes. Kneel and drop it.
First.
Here's your food, my princess.
Better. You may leave, get out.
Thank you, my princess.
Where do they get them from?
Do I know? Hell,
princess, you literally have the whole of this village beneath your feet.
As it should be. Help yourself.
Yes. What are those things on the chair at the sitting room?
I brought them yesterday. I thought you saw them.
That doesn't answer my question. I say, who kept them? Who kept them? Who got them?
I kept them.
From who? From where?
Ifoma bought them for me.
Ifoma bought them for you. So what did you tell Ifoma that made Ifoma to buy those things for you?
Makachi, I did not tell her anything.
For the last time. I'm not joking. I'm not just joking. What did you tell Ifoma that made Ifoma buy those things for you?
Well, I'm telling you the truth. I did not tell her anything. I swear.
You did not tell her anything?
You know, very soon now, we are expecting baby, so she just decided to help buy some baby.
You know you're the fault here. Eh? You're faulty here. See, Ifoma always come to this house to insult me just because of you. Because of the things you used to tell Ifoma. You gossip me a lot with Ifoma. That is why Ifoma always come to this house to insult me. Because of you.
It's not true.
Are you mad?
Jesus, please, I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant.
It's not the weekend.
My baby.
Your baby. On am boy am will be gossiping me out there, telling people that I'm bad. Everybody announces that see me as a bad person. Now you're the good person here, right? Right? Chima, okay, forget. Okay, forget. Chima, okay, forget. Okay, forget. Mado begin to, eh? Okay, don't worry. Try me next time. I'll just. Before God, Jackie will like you.
Hey, please bring it. I bought these things on credit. So I bought them on credit. I have to sell them.
Make it bread. Tie you. And then we go to cook. Your hand will not touch it. Oh, when you will pay with me, I will pay you.
If you don't give me that coconut, you will give me money. You will give me money. You will give me money. I know how I'm suffering to do all these things. When you come back now, you start asking for food. I go take me and a credit. I go kwani na credit. Sorry.
Come and take. Come and take it now.
Give me my tin. I'm going to the market.
Your tin? Am I having your tin?
Give me my coconut.
Come and take it now. Come and take.
Make sure you select something nice. That's my pieces. What am I having for lunch? Spaghetti. Okay. Can't you hear the door?
Yes, go and come back later. My princess is dressing up.
I just want to tell her that Obina is here. Obina? Yes, he brought your car back. Bring him to me immediately.
Okay, my princess. My princess, you're yet to dress up.
Shut your dirty piggy mouth. Who asked for your opinion? I love this one. Come in. Can't you hear the door? Oh, sweetheart.
Oh.
Oh, my darling.
Sorry.
What are you doing? Excuse me.
Sure, my princess.
Why are you turning around?
My princess, I think I should wait for you downstairs.
I command you to turn and face me. Come on.
Sorry?
It's a direct command. Turn and face me. If you can't even look at me like this, how would you look at me if I'm stuck naked? You know what? I think I want some massage. Come on, massage me.
Massage?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Remember here?
I have everything. Where's that useless maid?
How is the ongoing renovations at the community primary school?
My king, it's really going well. Everything is moving fast. You know, the school will soon resume and everything will be in order.
What of the health center? Have you given them the facilities they needed the right time?
Yes, my king, we're on it. We're on it now.
That is good. I'm so happy I have capable men like you beside me. I'm so proud of you. Oh no, how about Ufufe? Is he not back from his journey?
No, he hasn't. He will return.
So what is going on?
Patience. Patience, my king. Once Ufufe comes back, we'll bring him to you.
We will keep visiting his shrine to know when he will return. Immediately he does, we personally bring him to you.
Yes, Your Highness, we will.
This is the end of this meeting. We'll meet again.
You see Obinna will come here and meet me. Eh? What nonsense is this? How dare he?
Please, let's forget about it. He didn't give me injury.
Injury or no injury, Obinna has no right to lay his filthy hands on you. Eh? What kind of rubbish is that one now? What kind of a man is he? Someone that impregnated you, he's raising his stupid hands on you.
See, if you talk to him now, you are making more troubles for me. I don't want you to talk to him. He said that you bought me those baby things because I'm always gossiping him with you, telling you he doesn't give me money or take care of me, that if not, why would you buy me baby things? You now talking to him again is pouring kerosene inside fire. Biko, for the sake of my child, don't talk to him again. I've been telling you this thing. I've been telling you, I keep saying it. When you're done talking to him, I'm the one that always receives the punishment.
So what do you expect me to do now? To sit here and do nothing? Eh? What do you expect me to do?
My dear, don't worry. It's just a matter of time. I'm sure he will change.
Who will change? That one will change. Obinna can never change. He can never change. See, Chinwe, come and live with me. Obinna does not deserve you at all. Eh?
See, Obinna is my unborn baby's father. He's my boyfriend and I love him. I cannot come to stay with you. I know he's treating me bad now, but maybe after I'm done having my baby, maybe my baby will calm his heart down and he will start loving me.
Oh yeah. Obinna will not change you. You see that one, he's a game changer. He will never change. Eh? Next time he will try this thing with you, I swear, I will break bottle on his head. All you're putting on him, why share with the bottle?
Please now, let it go. Let it go.
But I will not let it go next time. Just know that. Just I will not let it go next time. What's that?
My king, you sent for me.
I want you to take me to the shrine.
Shrine? Why?
I have these feelings that the elders are lying to me. I want to see the AZD by myself.
My king, Why will the elders lie to you?
Just take me to the shrine. Let me find out myself if they are lying to me or not.
Why do you want to see Ufufe so bad?
And he said something was wrong somewhere. I want to find out what is wrong.
My king, nothing is wrong. You need to relax. Calm down.
My instinct is telling me that something is wrong. The girl in the palace is not my daughter. Because she's not behaving like me.
My king, I can see and I know that the girl in the palace is our princess. Listen, 13 years is enough for someone to change. Just give it time and relax. Please.
If it is the will of the gods.
I have seen I have seen you have no woman sympathy. You are wicked. You are very mean. But one day the breeze will blow and everyone will see.
Obi, your bag.
The bottom of the
I'm cooking beans and plantain.
How does it concern me that you're cooking beans and plantain? Yeah? As if you know my favorites. And then my hem na like. No, she went beans no burger. See, how did I know yourself? From where? Who born you? Your sight disgusts me. I wish you could just carry this beans and this your tongue and just go away. Just go to somewhere. So I will not be seeing you again. Yeah? I'm cooking beans and plantain. No need jabo mobim. So I send him will be kite mapta. You should share beans in the burger. Share beans no burger. Nonsense.
I am humbled, but love have made me a fool. Jimmy, 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 hard-working wife, my heart is even not pain. Wickedness is a sin in the eyes of the girls. Oji Tairi, Marapamara, no yet kagewata kwakaya. If you did to your fellow human beings, God is watching. He sees everything.
Thank you very much, Uzo.
You're welcome, my king. Have a good rest. I'll be outside if you need anything.
Don't worry. Go rest. I don't think I'll be needing anything for now.
As you wish, my king.
I refuse to believe that the person in this palace is my daughter. I don't feel close to her in any way, and my daughter will never treat people so badly. To clarify things, I need to see the eye of the gods, but whom shall I send? I feel like everyone around me is lying to me. Whom shall I send?
It can only take time, take time. It can only take time, take time. It can only take time, take time.
My friend,
No, Sisi, don't worry. See, Obinna does not like anyone touching his clothes except him.
Oh, you and this your Obinna. What a man here.
I don't want anything that will make him angry. I think it's easy for me, but can't get me one.
If he's the only man in this world, I will become a reverend sister. Fiakwa, for him.
Why am I hearing my name? What is going on? Why do I keep hearing my name?
You are back.
Yeah, I was hearing my name from there, from the road. What is it?
Obinna, welcome.
Where's my food? I'm hungry, please.
I've set it for you.
Because you just look in a defender. Look in a defender. Eh?
Yeah, I need your love.
EJ love again. Because let me help you.
What is this? That's one.
It's the food now.
This is the food. Yeah? What is this rubbish now? Yeah? What kind of soup is this?
It's the egusi soup I especially made for you now.
Why is it so salty? You carry the whole salt in the whole world and pour inside the soup.
No, but I tasted the food before when I tasted it when I was cooking it.
You tested it, so me that is telling you that it's too salty is stupid. So am I yelling?
It's not what I
Eh?
meant.
They're going to hit yellow. No fish, no meat. My friend, go and get me another soup.
Are you stupid? Obinna! No, try it now. Raise down your stupid hand on me. Let me see.
Chinwe.
You think every woman is weak as Chinwe? Eh? No, try it. If you didn't like the soup, why throw it at her? Why don't you just throw the soup away or leave it? Eh? Why wasn't you pouring her the soup? Are you stupid? If you make it easy. What kind of rubbish is that? What kind of a man are you? Hey, get it, man.
I can't remember to
Try it.
Hey.
Rubbish.
Chinwe.
Eh?
Your friend came to my house and gave me a dirty slap, a hot one.
I will give you another one. Try it.
And you still stand there watching her. You slapped me.
What do you expect her to do to fight you?
Chinwe.
Eh?
Okay. We have to define how this relationship will be. Okay? This is not over yet. This is not over yet.
What do you expect her to do?
And you. Hi.
Tell me, what do you expect her to do to fight you?
And you.
You're a very stupid person. You're a madman. Try it. Can work in what a man can do, a woman can do it 1,000,000 times, including beating you. Rubbish. Fine, touch it now. Try it now. Rubbish man. Useless man.
We'll define this relationship.
What nonsense? Can you imagine? No, come and hit me, useless man.
No, wait.
Including hitting you, idiot. Don't touch me. Shut up. Look at the stupid relationship you have been building for so many years. Yet the idiot you are building it with refuse to have sense. Eh?
You know, it's me that you're causing problem for when you go Kito Tibekwe me here again.
You're crying now. Let him try. Let me use bottle and baba that is stupid head. Rubbish. And I call my friend in here. You're using her to learn how to fight. Nonsense. Try this nonsense next time with me. What kind of rubbish is this now? Eh? Hey. I don't like this thing, no. I don't like it. It's okay. You just go inside and off it, eh? What kind of nonsense is this now? Is this what you are going through, my friend? Miliki. Ose? Rubbish. Come and hit me. Let me deal with you. Nonsense. Hey,
Chinwa gorogonye mbo.
Ima onye mbo.
Chinwa gorogonye mbo.
Oma onye mbo.
Where are these maids? Why have they not brought the juice?
You told them to make it fresh. So I think that might take a little time.
Whatever. If I wait for them one more second that they are not here with it, I will force them to drink it while they make something fresh for me.
Princess, calm down. Why you? Huh? Why you? Take it easy.
Anyway, tell me, when are you taking me to your village?
To my village?
Yeah, to your house.
Do
you live with someone? Your uncles, aunties, sisters, maybe?
Oh no, not at all. Not at all. I stay alone.
Oh, you live alone?
Yeah.
That means we could actually go right now. Right?
That will be next time. You know, I stay. I don't stay with anybody. My uncle used to have a house of his own, but he's late now. And my aunties, everybody, they're all married.
Okay. You actually said you live alone, so what's the problem if we go right now?
That's no problem. We will do that next time.
Next time?
Yeah. Are you okay with that?
It's okay.
Okay. I love you.
I love you more.
Obi, thank God. Oh. You came back late today. I've been worried, Obi. Obi, what kept you?
Hey. For your information, please, stop calling me Obim. Stop calling me your heart. I am not your heart, and I will never be.
Obi, what have I done wrong? These days, I no longer understand how you're treating me. You go out in the morning, you come back late at night. You barely talk to me. Even if at all you want to talk to me, it's either you're hitting me or you're saying awful things to me. What is this thing that I have done that is so unforgivable?
Being in my life is what you've done wrong.
Obin, I know you never treated me nice, but at least you never had a problem with me being in your life. Okwagochum, are you not the one that asked me out? What is all these things now? Eh? What is all this thing? Okay, if I've done something wrong, just tell me. Let me apologize. Bikon.
You know what? Just go away. Just walk. Just vanish as if you've never met me before. Or is it by force? Yeah? Oh. Damn.
I'm living life of pain, suffering and smiling. I know who I am. I'm a very hard-working woman. All I need is your little support. All I need is your help.
Enjoy me, my princess. Open it.
My princess, what is it? My princess, what is it?
Isn't it? Ma. Who made this nonsense? Ola, one of the maidens. These people have decided to poison me finally. And you decided to bring this smelling, disgusting food to me? This thing smells horrible! Can't you smell it?
My princess, this doesn't smell bad.
What do you mean doesn't smell bad? I guess your nostrils are dead. Take this nonsense! Go make me something else. Are you mad? Don't ask me if I'm okay. I'm not okay. Take this nonsense off this place. I'm sorry, ma.
Princess.
Sorry.
Are you? My princess! Isn't there? Isn't there? Please make her some fruits. Okay. My princess. My princess! My princess, are you okay? Princess. Are you okay? I don't know. I've just been feeling...
No, I'm not okay. For the past couple of days, I've been feeling somehow. I don't know. I just can't keep anything down. I guess it's stress though. So I'll just rest a little.
Okay. Do you need something to eat?
No. No appetite at all.
So what about fruits?
Apples will do.
Okay. You know what? I told Ezinne to make fruits for you. But I'll go back and tell her to just get you apple. Okay? So just relax. I'm coming.
Hey!
No. Please. We cannot continue like this.
Excuse me.
We cannot. Yesterday when you came back, I told you I wanted us to discuss something important. You told me you're tired and sleepy. That this morning we'll talk about it. Now you've woken up. I've been begging you. You don't want to listen to me. You want to leave again. And probably come back in the night when you're tired.
What do you want us to talk about?
I want us to talk about this relationship. How? Why are you treating me? I will not. Why are you treating me like this? What have I done to deserve this kind of bad treatment from you? You go out in the morning, you come back in the night, you don't talk to me, you don't even touch me, you don't treat me like human being. Why all this behavior and maltreatment against me?
You're looking for somebody to touch you, right? Huh? Is it what you're looking for?
Even if you don't, treat me like human. Treat me like human.
Listen. Whatever that you're saying, and that was then. It has happened then. That was then. For now, I'm tired of all these things. Meanwhile, I started dating you out of pity.
Dating who out of pity? Chineke Wogoko. Dating who out of pity? I know how you asked me out, how you were following me about, preaching love to me. Before I decided to get pregnant for you, only for you to be treating me like this.
You were cutting eye for me.
Please, I don't like this nonsense. So I do not like it. I need to understand where this relationship is heading to. Because this emotional torture is too much. I cannot take it anymore. You're frustrating my life.
You've grown wings to be talking to me anyhow. Why are you holding my clothes?
I will hold your clothes. We will
You're rumpling my t-shirt. You're rumpling it. I'll rumple you. I am going to rumple you now if you don't leave me alone.
I will not leave you. Okay,
See,
Funketa,
see,
I will not leave
see,
you.
I am not laughing. I am not laughing. Allow me go to where I'm going to now. Hey, I ask when I'm one more than that. Una fukwe na una fukwe. I ask what. Half marker 1. Half marker 1. Half marker 2. 3. Hey.
I'm not stepping out of your way today. We will sort.
Come on. Ogi se fucking si da bo. Ogi si ball me. Ogi si ball me am to worry me. Bela can push you. Ibo go dia.
My water is broken. My water. Jesus. Somebody help me.
Your Majesty, I think 2 days is too short for me to get prepared. Please, I beg and I suggest you give me little time so I can save up some money to be able to pay for the bridal rite. Please.
You see why I hate poor people? I hate poor people. Oh, you want me to give you time so that you will save up money to come and marry my princess? How long do you want me to give you? 1 year? 2 years? 3 years or 5 years? Let me tell you, Obinna, even if I give you 5 years, you will not be able to save up enough money to come and marry the princess of Philmond.
Mother!
Shut up!